Selling your home can be an emotional endeavor, but partnering with a knowledgeable realtor can bring a balance to your property to take it from listed to sold. Here are 3 tips that I give my sellers when we first meet about listing their home or condo. First, declutter and professionally stage your home. While I know that you love your family photos, the best way for a potential buyer to see themselves inside your home is to remove the personal pictures, the calendars, the knickknacks and tchotchkes, and make sure that they can envision themselves living their lifestyle in your space instead. Second, consider a pre-inspection. If your home is a little bit older or has been utilized as a vacation rental, there's some minor maintenance to be expected once that inspection is complete. Get ahead of this kink and go ahead and order a pre-inspection, address the items on that list, and then be willing to provide that list to potential buyers or their agents. Third, consider a pre-appraisal. While there's many tools that realtors can utilize to price your property within market trends, nothing gives you a more solid foundation than ordering an appraisal to know where your value comes in. This can be a deal saver down the line for potential buyers who may need funding in securing your listing. Bonus tip. Opt in for the full marketing package. As we are entering a new world of marketing for real estate, those that did not opt in for the video walkthroughs and additional footage to create short-form vertical videos for social media are falling through the cracks of interested buyers. In order to expose your property to the most amount of potential buyers and potential buyers agents, allow your realtor to create an all-inclusive plan that exposes your property to the most amount of potential buyers in the most dynamic ways possible. If you are considering selling your home and your realtor does not cover these items in your first meeting, consider finding a realtor who finds these items important and ensuring that you capture the highest value for your property.